Everyday comfort at home depends on how well your living spaces manage airflow, temperature, and noise. Windows play a major role in this balance, and choosing the right style can make a noticeable difference in daily living. For homeowners in Washington, casement windows are a popular option because they offer excellent ventilation, strong insulation, and reliable performance that enhances comfort throughout the year. Superior ventilation. When you need it, one of the biggest advantages of casement windows is how effectively they bring fresh air into the home. Hinged at the side, casement windows open outward, allowing them to catch passing breezes and direct airflow indoors. In Washington homes, this means better natural ventilation on mild days, helping refresh indoor air and reduce reliance on mechanical cooling. Tight seals that keep drafts out when closed. Casement windows press firmly against the frame, creating a tight seal. This design limits air leakage far more effectively than many other window styles. For Washington homeowners, tighter seals mean fewer drafts during cooler periods and more stable indoor temperatures day and night. Improved energy efficiency. For daily savings by reducing air leaks, casement windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This reduces the workload on heating and cooling systems and supports better energy efficiency. In Washington homes, improved energy performance translates into lower utility costs and a more comfortable living environment. Comfortable indoor temperatures year-round. Older windows often allow outdoor temperatures to influence indoor comfort, creating hot or cold spots near windows. Casement windows help eliminate these problem areas by sealing tightly and insulating effectively. For Washington homeowners, this results in more even temperatures throughout the home, making rooms feel comfortable regardless of the season. Reduced outdoor noise. Casement windows don't just improve temperature control, they also help reduce outside noise. Their tight seal blocks sound more effectively than windows that rely on sliding tracks or loose-fitting sashes. In Washington neighborhoods, this noise reduction creates quieter, more relaxing indoor spaces. Easy operation adds to daily convenience. Casement windows are designed for smooth, simple operation. A crank handle allows windows to open and close easily, even in hard-to-reach locations. For Washington homeowners, this convenience improves everyday usability and encourages proper ventilation when conditions are favorable. Better indoor air quality. Comfort includes the quality of the air you breathe. Casement windows allow homeowners to ventilate their homes intentionally, reducing stale air and indoor pollutants. In Washington homes, improved airflow supports healthier indoor air quality and a more pleasant living environment. Flexible placement options. Casement windows work well in a variety of locations, including kitchens, living rooms, and bedrooms. Their outward opening design makes them suitable for spaces where other window styles may be less practical. For Washington homeowners, this flexibility allows casement windows to improve comfort throughout the home. Long-term comfort through durable design. Modern casement windows are built with durable materials and hardware designed to withstand regular use and changing weather conditions. In Washington homes, this durability ensures consistent comfort over time with minimal maintenance concerns. A comfortable choice for Washington homes. Casement windows enhance everyday comfort by improving ventilation, reducing drafts, maintaining consistent temperatures, and limiting outside noise. Their practical design and reliable performance make them a smart upgrade for homeowners who value comfort and efficiency. For residents of Washington, casement windows offer a simple yet powerful way to improve how their home feels every day.